My name's Mike, and I thought I would share a real learning experience I had, so maybe you won't have to learn the same lesson. I've been riding motorcycles for 40 years, and I've been practicing slow speed operation for about a year and a half. My wife and I practice a lot, and I've become, I would say, a pretty good slow speed operator. We've learned from Robert Simmons and his Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle program. One of the points Robert always makes is never put your feet down if you start to feel the bike falling. I've seen others keep their feet on the boards as they drop their bike and slide to a nice smooth stop, so I knew it would be a sound practice. I knew it. The lesson I learned this day reinforced the difference between knowledge and wisdom, and this lesson I learned the hard way. We practice the 18-foot circle at least every week. What we have not practiced much is the 18-foot circle with what's called a keyhole. So we set up the keyhole using the cones we had. I made it around turning left on my first try. Well, let's have a look at what happens in real time when I attempted it turning right.
That's awesome!
Now, before I break it down frame by frame, I thought I would play it in slow motion and show what was going through my head as this was happening.
I've got a blowout, number 3. Ditches out. Calm, I keep holding. She's breaking up. She's breaking up.
Just having a little fun with it. If you're under about 55 years old, you probably wouldn't get the $6 Million Man reference. But let's talk about lessons learned here in a frame-by-frame basis. First, look at that cone stop. That cone is sliding out. I turned my front tire into a ski. My second mistake, putting my feet down. You can see what a tragic mistake that was. Now I'm off the bike. My right foot's on the ground. My left foot is stuck. My left leg is stuck on the left side of the bike. I can't get off the bike. Now the bike stands up. Typically they fall down. Now it's standing up. I'm really going for a ride now. I am stuck and my right leg is stuck inside of that. That's the right saddlebag. Really dangerous. Really dangerous. So takeaway lessons. Never put your feet down. Never use big cheap cones. And always practice with your hero that can run and save you. That was weird. It wasn't stopping and it was just dragging me.
I know.
All I could think about was don't get your feet underneath it. All right.
So weird.
Set that one up again. I'm not going to leave like that.
Okay.
So I dusted myself off, got back up on the horse, tried that keyhole a couple more times unsuccessfully. Really fortunate to come out of that with just a little bit of swelling in my right knee and 0 damage to the motorcycle. Can you believe that? Motorcycle drop guards, y'all, is the way to go. Not one scratch on any part of that mattered. The drop guards on both sides of the bikes did their job beautifully. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please learn these lessons for yourself and don't repeat them. And always practice with your hero.